JAMB 2026 students who are preparing to write chemistry for 11, like those who are preparing to write by 11 and those who are preparing to write by 2 p.m. and even on day 2, that will be on Friday, day 3 Saturday, day 4 Monday. Ensure you watch this video. This is the exact question that came out for those who wrote by 9 a.m. I gather up this question from my student. Immediately they apart from the exam, I started asking them what can they remember. So these are the things they can remember. Ensure you add up this to whatever you are reading because JAMB might repeat questions for you. Take note, JAMB might repeat questions for you. I've also done video for those that wrote 7 a.m. too. So ensure you add it to whatever you are reading and please share it to other UTME students who will be preparing to write their own by 11 a.m. or probably by 2 p.m. or on Friday or Saturday, Monday, even Tuesday next week. Please help them. Share this video to them. It might help them. So what they remember was that they said number one, which of the following has neither mass nor charge? Like it does not have mass, neither does it have charge. So that student was able to remember just two options, and the correct answer here is gamma ray. Gamma is like this. Gamma did not have charges, neither does it have any mass. So is it alpha particle? No, take note of that. Question 2 that the student can remember says that how many electrons in mole will discharge 2.0 gram of copper 2 ion Cu2 plus, and we are given this guy which is C is equals to Cu equals to 64. So if you work this, when I try to work this, then the correct answer here is 0.0625. That's the correct answer when I try to work this. So the correct answer is this. If you need the solution, like the steps of how to solve it, you can just send a message to me on WhatsApp. I will show you the breakdown of how to solve it. I don't want to make this video to be long. So that was what they remembered. So take it. Now, the third question they remember is that they said a general method of preparing insoluble salt is by, the answer is double decomposition. That's just the answer. They cannot remember the option. So that is just the answer. This is my WhatsApp number. Please, another question is that please, immediately you are done with your exam, anything you can remember, bring it down to this comment section, type it there so that people who are watching this video, they can learn from it and share this video. This video might help other students. At least they can JAMB my repeat questions, like they can repeat questions. They cannot be setting questions for over 2 million plus candidates. They should not be setting 40 questions for all of them. It's not possible. They will repeat, although they might repeat for another person living in different states, you understand, but they will make sure they will shall repeat question. Please share this video. It might help somebody's life, all right. Now this is my WhatsApp number. And also, if you want for the biology and for the physics and the other subject, I just send a message to me on WhatsApp. I can ask my student that what did they remember on other subjects. So once I have it, then I will inform you. All right. Now, this is the number 4 question. Number 4 question says that propanoic acid is what? Is it tribasic? Is it monobasic? Is it dibasic? Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid is CH3, CH3, CH2, COOH. So it is a monobasic acid. It is a monobasic acid. So the answer is B. It is never tribasic, neither is it dibasic. It is not this, neither is it this. Take note of what I'm saying. So this is the last question, which is the number 5. Last question says that the minimum amount of energy that colliding molecules must possess for their collision to be effective is what? So they were not able to remember the option, but the correct answer here is activation energy. Activation energy. Yeah, activation energy. So this is my WhatsApp number. Please do well to share this video to other UTME students. Help them. And mind you, I'll also be sharing the live questions for those that have been writing by 11, like those that wrote by 11. Once they are done, I will definitely ask them, what can you remember? What did you know? What did they ask you in chemistry, to be precise? Then I will be uploading it for you guys to come and watch, to come and learn, to come and add it up whatever you are reading. Please share this video and and give us a good comment. It's not really easy coming back to back to come and upload live questions for you. It's not really an easy thing. Please do well to share this video to other UTME students and be expecting our next question by 11 a.m. and follow this channel, follow this page, so that immediately once I'm dropping it, pam pam pam, you'll be notified ASAP. Follow this page. If you did not follow this page, you might miss some important question, and it might be that question that will now come out in your own notes. It might be that question that will now come out in your own. Yes, I'm only solving chemistry for now. I don't used to solve biology here on my channel here. Neither do I solve physics on my channel here. What I solve is chemistry and mathematics. Yeah, and as time goes on, I'll be dropping mathematics too. So please share this video. If you want art subject too, I will also ask my students whatever they can remember. Text me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp digit. Just say hi, you are from JAMB, from my channel, this and that, and go straight to the point. No time. Thank you so much. I wish you best of luck in your exam. By God's grace, you guys will excel in your JAMB exam. By the time you see your result, 300 plus will be your portion. I'm wishing you the best. Don't panic. Just remove phobia and tell yourself that you have passed this year JAMB. Build that courage. That's my advice for you. Just build that courage. Yes, build that courage. Remove phobia. Just have it in mind that you have passed this exam. Remove fear. Don't fear anything. Fear nobody. And I'm wishing you best of luck. My name is Remain Market. See you in my next video. Subscribe, and share this video. You guys are excelling. Sure, 350 your portion. Claim it. Bam. Amen.